Welcome back to my channel Code with Santosh. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the HTML links or anchor tag. So, what is the meaning of HTML link or anchor tag? So, anchor tags are mainly used whenever we try to click on that particular anchor tag. It tries to redirect us onto different page, different website, or different section of a particular page. Okay, that is how we use anchor tags. So, how we define anchor tag in HTML? So, we write A for anchor tag, href, sorry for the spelling, href, and this is the attribute of anchor tag. As we have mentioned earlier that attribute has some values as well. Okay, so for the time being we are using hash, and one of the important attributes of anchor tag is title. Okay, so why we are using title, I will tell you, just give me a few seconds. Click me. Okay, and anchor tag also has a closing tag. It has opening tag and it has closing tag. And between these two, we write some text. Okay, I have written a button here. It can be anything. It can be about us page or some other page or some other section name. Whatever is your requirement. For the time being, I have used button so that I can indicate you that how we are using anchor tag. Okay, and here we have used href. It tells us that we need to put some link or some page name, some URL, some section. As we have also discussed in our previous video that we can go to a specific section as well. If you have not seen that video, I will request you to go to that video and please watch that video and come again for this one. Okay, so here we can use anything like URL, page section, or any external URL outside of your website. Okay, and this is the attribute, href attribute, and the second one is title attribute. So title, whenever we hover or whenever we put our cursor on this button, this title will show us, so that we can understand that what do we need to do. Okay, let me save this and try to run this web page. You can see that this is the button, and by default underline comes here, but if you have a specific CSS style, then you can remove this underline as well. Underline normally tells us that it is an anchor tag. So once we put our cursor over there, you can see that cursor has changed, and also this title came here like click me. You can see that text. So this click me has come here with the help of this title. So you can write anything that will show there whenever you put your cursor. Let me refresh this and you can see that it is showing click me again. Okay, this is why we use title. Okay, so links are very useful. It is used everywhere in your page, like in navigation part, in the bottom section. It is also used for phone number. Suppose let me try to write something so that you can see that here if you write tell, and if you write your number 987654321, just I'm giving a random number, so it tells you that this is the telephone number. You need to write tell colon that particular number, and whenever any user clicks on it, so on a browser, it won't work properly, but on a mobile phone where calling facility is there, once you click on this button, this number will come into dial pad so that you can call this number. Okay, so we also use this number, and for WhatsApp we also use this anchor tag. And there is another example, like you can use, I have used this in our video previously, so but didn't describe that, so I am describing it here. So you can write abc@gmail.com. So this is a random demo mail ID. So you can write mail to, then colon, and then this email address. And once the user clicks on this anchor tag, this opens your mail inbox, and this comes to your, like the people whom you want to email. This email address will be there, so you can write your content and send this to that particular user using email. Okay, this is how we use anchor tag as well. So I have shown you three parts, like we can use anchor tags for redirecting our page to into another page section or outside of your website. It can be also used for telephone number, like where we can call particular number. And this mail to is also used where after clicking this like this opens in a your opened or logged in email box. Okay, so that from there you can send email. That is the basic use of anchor tag. This anchor tag can be used anywhere, like by simply you can use this anchor tag, you can use this anchor tag in a p tag. Okay, you can also use this anchor tag in h1 tag, and you can use it simply without using any other tag. Okay, this is how you normally use anchor tag. You can see that we have different styles applied, and it can be used anywhere in your page. You can also do one thing. Let me try to do something so that you can understand how we can use this anchor tag. You can remove this button and you can use image here as well. So let me try to demo.jpg, alt demo. Let me give the path of the image as well. Let me reload this. Image has not come here. Let me go to my image folder, and okay, let me, I think the name is incorrect, that's why it is not showing. So let me put a correct name of the image and then refresh this page. You can see the image has come and the cursor is also changed. Here you can see arrow, but here you can see a hand with a finger. So you can, it tells you that this is the anchor tag. Once you click it, it will go to a specific section. So let me try to find, sorry, let me go to this page and try to find the URL of Google. So let me try to use this URL here so that you can see how we can use this. Okay, let me close this tab and refresh this. Okay, you can see the URL in the bottom section. It also tells you that where this page or this button will redirect once you click on it. So once I click on it, you can see that it redirected into a Google page. Okay, so one more thing I just want to tell you here, like there is another attribute. So target, if you don't use anything, it will redirect to that particular page, and it won't be there any longer in your website. But if you use target blank, sorry, the spelling mistake once again, target is equal to blank, then once you click, it will open into a new tab. It is not going to redirect. You can see that your page is still there, but this opened into another new tab. So this is totally based on your requirement. How do you want to use that particular thing? I just told you that what are the ways where you can use this particular anchor tag. Okay, that's all for this video. Before moving forward, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. It will give me a huge motivation to create such videos. Thanks for watching. I will meet you again in our next chapter. Bye bye.